Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming network and device compatibility, because 5G requires both. Check Bsnl 5G coverage and that your phone supports the listed bands. Once done, prepare the SIM or eSIM and KYC documents. Make sure your phone is unlocked and running the latest OS. Go into Settings now, find Mobile Network, and verify that 5G/NR options appear. If the 5G toggle isn't visible, update carrier settings or reboot. These steps expose the switches you need next. You now trigger activation. Insert the Bsnl SIM or scan the eSIM QR and allow provisioning. Expect a confirmation SMS. Once the SIM is provisioned, open Mobile Network Settings and select the 5G preferred mode. Labels vary, so pick 5G/LTE Auto or NR preferred. Then configure the APN. Enter the Bsnl APN exactly as provided, save, and select it as the active profile. After saving, toggle airplane mode on and off to force a reattach. This makes the network register as 5G. You finish by verifying the 5G icon and running a quick speed test in a confirmed 5G zone to validate service. If you don't see 5G, make sure the phone supports the specific Bsnl bands, recheck the APN settings, and restart the device. Sometimes toggling network mode fixes it. If problems continue, gather your IMEI and SIM ICSID, note provisioning timestamps, and contact Bsnl support. One key troubleshooting tip: test another 5G-capable phone. This isolates whether the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.